Today we got a video from Real Body Cams, and the title of the video is "Wait Till My Dad Gets Here. Teen's Threat Backfires Instantly."
On October 3rd, 2025, officers in Ohio responded to a residence after receiving calls reporting a dispute involving a repeat trespasser. A resident reported that when she confronted the woman for cutting through nearby private property, she was hit in the face. Here's what the officers did next.
Help me! I didn't do anything wrong!
Okay, sit in the car.
I didn't do anything wrong, dude! Give me my... God damn it.
You really gonna kick me? Okay, now you're under arrest. Good job. Now you're going to jail.
He got her together. Oh my. Yo, now don't get me wrong. That's the wrong technique. I mean, that can go bad, and we've seen instances where cops have dragged people out of the cars and they either hit their head and go unconscious and different things like that. We've done those type of videos. So dragging her by her feet straight out like that, I mean, worst case scenario, she hits her head on the concrete and it's bad. Okay, that's bad. But damn, she kicked him and he got her together quick, fast, and in a hurry, boy. She needed a factory reset, boy. Oh man. See, that's what I'm saying. The hardware be good, but the software needs an update. Oh boy.
Hit in the face. Here's what the officers did next.
Help me! I didn't do anything wrong!
Okay, sit in the car.
I didn't do anything wrong, dude! Give me my... God damn it.
Boom! Ooh.
You really gonna kick me? Okay, now you're under arrest.
Got her ass right.
What the hell's wrong with you? Sit in the car.
At least till my dad gets here. Please.
Property all the way back to the river, and we asked her not to trespass on private property. We showed her inside. She kept saying her house was back there, and we explained to her no, and then she just kept getting confrontational and didn't want to leave, and then she kept trying to cut down.
I got her in custody and in the car.
She kept trying to cut through every single one of our properties right here to get to a house that doesn't exist back there.
Okay.
And we kept asking her to leave, and we started walking her down here. We're like, please just get on the road. We can give us your address, and we can help you navigate, because now she says she's lost. And she tried to dart again, and my daughter and all of us are standing in a line, and she assaulted my daughter. My daughter took her to the ground, and then we just got her.
I won't do it again.
It doesn't matter. It's done. It's over. You're going to jail. How old are you? Okay. You're going to jail.
Please,
No,
please,
there's no please.
Wait till my dad gets here.
I'll tell him you're going to jail for sure. Yeah, his daughter just assaulted a cop. That's really smart. Okay? Literally. Could just sat in the car. Could just sat in the car.
Okay. I won't
Move your foot.
Don't do that.
Please and thank
do
you.
It. I'll do it.
Listen. Move your feet.
I'll do it.
Just stop.
I'll do it.
Just
Please.
listen.
Please.
You're not helping your case.
Please.
So keep your in here, please. And stop being silly. This is not that serious. Just sat down. I had a bad feeling about this one.
So anyway, we were trying to just make sure she's not trespassing on private property, because this is the second time she's cut through along that fence line, and it belongs to private property.
Okay.
And then she tried to cut through on her property, and then she tried to cut through Lily's property.
Okay.
And we are very protective of our neighbors. We weren't trying to be we asked her what her address was. We offered to help her find her way, and she insisted that you, I'm going this way. And then when we walked her this way, so she
803
could,
is all we can get out of her.
Yeah.
803 what?
And then she
this
assaulted.
is a 300 block, and it goes nowhere after that.
yeah, and then she assaulted my daughter.
We were down all the way at the corner, and we tried to get her to walk back this way because there's nothing over there. There's a big ditch right here. Granted, if she came up through this way, that's a different story. But right now, then people just moved in there, and they don't need people coming in and out of their yard.
Children, small children. They've got cameras. They've got
And
no trespassing
she's just been
signs.
real pushy about going that way the whole time. Like, no give on nothing, no taking instructions or criticism of any kind.
house.
And we-
what's wrong with your front door?
We're talking nicely to her. We weren't rude.
Just
Or
right.
just,
Oh,
I saw that. I saw it there.
we weren't trying to be disrespectful. We're just, hey, we don't want you to get in trouble. Just letting you know this is private property, and she just would not give in.
Yeah. 175. Yeah, one by
I just told him that we had one bottle.
Hi. I'm sorry?
My daughter?
Your daughter
Yeah.
is under arrest.
For what?
Assault on me and assault on that lady right there.
Are you serious? She's had short-term memory loss. She has epilepsy and all kinds of stuff.
Okay.
And I was trying to rush and get
Where
to
does
her.
she even live at?
Right here.
Okay. That's why we're here.
Yeah, she don't mean any harm. She said when I called her, she said she was trying to go to the store.
Alright, so we're going to fill this out. This is just going to be a statement of what happened. So right here, this is going to be statement of, this will be your name, your address, age, date of birth, social, phone number. Okay, and then down here, you're just going to write what happened. And then I'll fill you in when you're done. It's a little warm, but it's easier to lean on that than.
I must be a So they'll mail us anything that.
Yes, okay. They'll call the victim's advocate will call you guys when it goes to court. It'll go to court sometime next week for the preliminary hearing, or for the should go Monday for the arraignment, and then they'll have a preliminary hearing probably either Friday or the week after.
And that's where we would.
Yeah, they'll reach out. As long as that number works, they'll call the victim's advocate will call you guys.
Okay. All right, just hang out here for just 1 second. You good? Yep.
PASS. How old is she?
Is she 18?
Still trying to knock out that crash. I was helping. He goes, you can go to that with him, and I'll work on the crash.
Goodness gracious. I'll roll down her window so he can talk to her.
Okay.
Okay. I told you I was coming. I was reading grass. Yeah. What was you trying to cut through? What is it?
There's a house on the end of this road that literally drops off into this river, little big creek thing.
She said her aunt lives there.
Well, my aunt lives on Martin Avenue. She has short-term memory loss. She don't really realize what she's doing. She has epilepsy, not epilepsy, FND.
But we had no problem trying to help her. She wouldn't give us an address. She just gave us a house number, but not a street. And we were trying to help redirect her. My son would have even walked with her.
Just whatever you got to talk to her about, and then
I mean,
we won't start a big.
we're very nice up here. We're just protective, and we just wanted to redirect her, and she just.
Yeah, I don't know if she's to her meds or not. Sometimes when she don't take them.
Escalates.
Well, she did have a hard time comprehending the fact that drops off into a ravine, basically.
Where do you guys live at?
I live in.
Where does she live with you?
She lives with my aunt.
Oh, okay.
And this is the second time she's gone to that property, trying to cut through.
Yeah, she did it earlier, and I tried to stop her the second time. I just told her it was private property. She can't go that way. Then she said, my aunt lives here. I said, no, she doesn't. I said, who's your aunt? She said, and I said, doesn't live here. Or whatever, but I said, she doesn't live here.
You can head over there whenever. I'll bring this in if you want.
Thanks.
Yep. I'll meet you in the back. Hi, it's gonna take pictures of her. My phone is sitting on my desk.
I can take pictures and go in with them.
Okay, that's fine.
Where did she hit you at, hon?
She hit me in my face and my shoulder.
Okay. Can you get marks on your shoulder? Here. Just take a picture of your shoulder.
Mark on the cheek.
37. I'm gonna have to headquarters, one female, starting 0.
She didn't give us the name, the street number, nothing. She just kept getting aggressive.
All right, come on. You need help? Careful. Follow him. Have a seat on the bench, please.
The suspect was charged with assault and assault on an officer.
Well, her having memory loss and stuff like that, now that explains why she's kind of roaming around and stuff like that, but still not an excuse. Boy, I know when she laying on that bed, that hard concrete or whatever, you know, the little holding cells or whatever they put you in, boy, she gonna feel that the next day when he dragged her out and she back right on the concrete. Boom. Oh my goodness. That was crazy. But hey, somebody like that, you gotta pay close attention to. And I mean, if you're not paying close attention to them, then they gonna get out, wander around, do whatever they're gonna do. You know, just because you got problems and stuff like that, still is not an excuse for you to be putting your hands on somebody and stuff like that. So, you know, I can see the dad, you know, he hardworking guy trying to do what he could do, but you know, he got a daughter that's got a lot of problems and stuff like that. So sad situation, man. But anyway, I think the cops, they did all right. they did all right. You know, I'm gonna give like a 3 out of 5. Cause that pulling her out, man, that could have went so south. That could have been bad, really bad. But anyway, yeah, so 3 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.